India has officially launched the development phase of its first indigenous fifth generation stealth fighter jet, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft AMCA. The project, greenlit by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, marks a watershed moment for India's aerospace ambitions and comes on the heels of heightened tensions with the China-Pakistan axis following Operation Sindoor. Retired Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria, speaking exclusively to NDTV, called the project a huge leap of faith as India pivots from a HAL-dominated model to one that encourages private sector participation. This is the top-end project that the industry is going to handle, he said, emphasizing that private defense players now have an unprecedented opportunity to prove their mettle. The AMCA is to be built by the Aeronautical Development Agency in collaboration with industry partners will feature cutting-edge technology, AI integration, manned-unmanned teaming, internal weapons base, and stealth coating, revealing global counterparts like the F-35 and Su-57. The unveiling of a full-scale AMCA model at Aero India 2025 was met with optimism, symbolizing India's ambitions to deliver 120 stealth fighters by 2035. This would represent a strategic air power boost and regional rivals, particularly Pakistan and China, intensify military cooperation. In the aftermath of Operation Sindoor, where Indian jets and drones struck deep into Pakistan and POK in retaliation for the Pahalgam terror attack, Beijing's role has been drawn sharp scrutiny. Pakistan reportedly deployed Chinese JF-70s, J-10s and HQ-9 air defense system during the 100-hour aerial skirmish, highlighting the increasingly integrated threat India faces. With China fast-tracking its J-35 stealth fighters sale to Pakistan, India's AMCA may serve not just as a technological milestone, but a necessary counterbalance in the subcontinent's aerial chessboard. As Bhadoria summed it up, it's more than just a jet, it's a statement.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.